I don't care if it's an emergency. One more mistake and you're done. The courtroom freezes. Judge Fleischer's booming voice silences the room as the accused, visibly shaken, fidgets nervously. What could have provoked such fury? Is this his final chance, or is the hammer about to drop? Will justice prevail, or is there more to the story? Watch until the end for the shocking verdict.
Come up, Mr. Wolf. Guys, I have found that there's probable cause to go forward with your DWI second in here. You also have another DWI in another county. Stop.
Okay, that was driver without license.
Stop.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to say anything. I will appoint you a lawyer today. But it's unacceptable that you continue to pick up cases here, there, everywhere. Unacceptable. And I don't think that a PR bond is the right thing to do. I'm now going to revoke the PR bond, and he goes with you. You're a danger to our community. That's unacceptable.
Just driver.
Stop. I will appoint you a lawyer. I don't want you to say anything now. I would like, did you talk to a lawyer? Can you appoint him someone, please? You are not to drive at all. I don't care what you're going, what you need to do. Do not drive. The only thing I'm asking you to do is please don't kill someone on our roads. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. Every single day we have an intox man, an assault that happens because of this.
Fantastic.
Stop. There is probable cause to go forward. We have trials to determine that, but.
Judge's ruling on Mr. Wolf's violations. The spotlight is on. Mr. Wolf, who's facing his second DWI, driving while intoxicated charge. Judge Fleischer points out that there's enough evidence to proceed, but things quickly escalate. Mr. Wolf is already dealing with a prior DWI in another county, along with charges for driving without a license and marijuana possession. Judge's decision on the PR bond. A PR bond allows a defendant to be released without posting bail based on their promise to show up in court. But the judge isn't buying it. Given Mr. Wolf's repeated offenses, Judge Fleischer declares him a threat to public safety and revokes the PR bond. Mr. Wolf is immediately taken into custody. The why? Judge warns him to stay silent and assures him that a lawyer will be appointed to represent him. Strict driving, ban and legal consequences. Judge Fleischer imposes severe restrictions. Mr. Wolf is banned from driving under any circumstances and must sign a legal affidavit swearing he won't drive. The judge gives...
I have found that they're sufficient to go forward. You've got multiple cases open in another county. It goes with you. I will appoint you a lawyer. Tell your side to the lawyer, and then we can talk after.
There's
Approach on bail on Mr. Wolf.
Okay.
Your Honor, as I mentioned, information. So we did look it up on that case. Olson Gallison, that it was active, but we just looked it up on their public records, and that DWI, the same cause number on the NCIC was dismissed.
But he still has open Galveston cases.
Still has open Galveston cases there for, I guess, a possession of marijuana and a driving without a license. So those are the two. The DWI is not.
Do you want to bring him out?
He's over an 8. And Judge, I did not talk to him all about the facts of his case, and normally I do before I approach. I just wanted to reapproach on the bond, so.
Yeah.
I've already told him I'd make an appointment to talk to him.
Have you run his license?
I'll run it right now. He is not eligible.
That's too much.
I think it's happened. The clerk looked like driving without a license and just assumed that it was driving while intoxicated.
Yes, probably so. Need to go. You said he does have,
Yeah.
charges in Galveston? Possession?
Someone locked the back gate and left it open for you. Now it's
Driving
closed.
with license. And then
That's, yeah, so.
Yeah. Let me make sure they're still there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I mean, I
It's
got a
okay.
job, I
It's
take
okay.
probation, I got ankle monitor or something, I got a job and all that, I was thinking and I was trying.
I'm gonna help you, but let's try to get it, let's at least try to get it lower to get you out today.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community
Yes, sir.
at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. If you're a small farm animal, everything in my power to protect my community.
Yes, sir.
You have 2 open cases in Galveston, and now you've picked up a case here. Does he have a license?
it's not eligible.
You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive, Mr. Wolf. And I want you to understand and hear me crystal clear that if I find that you drive and I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time you drive. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care that a kid has to go to the hospital. I don't care that there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kids. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, then you're not to drive. You now stand charged with the DWI second in this court. I am now also placing an additional restriction on your license that you're not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have a guardian interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle and it doesn't have an interlock on it, because I send notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer
Gives a chilling warning. If he's caught driving, no excuses will be tolerated. Not even emergencies like grocery runs, medical crises, or saving kittens from a fire. Without a valid Texas driver's license and insurance, every violation could trigger a contempt hearing with up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine per offense. Due to his DWI history, Mr. Wolf may only drive a car equipped with an ignition, interlock device, a breathalyzer that prevents the car from starting if alcohol is detected. Any violation means immediate jail time. Alcohol and drug restrictions. Mr. Wolf must also comply with strict conditions. He's prohibited from consuming alcohol or using illegal drugs. He will undergo mandatory alcohol and marijuana testing in
this state knows you get pulled over, you don't have an interlock on that car, they will take you directly to jail. I'm going to honor your PR bond today, but I'm putting a whole host of restrictions on you. And if I find that you violate these restrictions, I will violate that bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, and I'm telling you, I'm going to test you within the next couple weeks to see whether you are using. If 50 plus days have passed and you test positive for marijuana, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The only thing I care are my streets and that they're safe. And if you don't have a license and you ain't got insurance, then you're not going to drive. You will now get a portable device that you're going to take everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not using alcohol. And I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you for weed here momentarily. Hey. They filed 2 surrenders on Mr. Galvan's case. I just need to know your position. I sent you a picture of it. Can you just take a look and let me know what you say? Correct. Okay, I just wanted to know. Okay, thanks, Shane. All right, take care. I'm honoring our bond. I'm letting you out. You hold the keys to this jail cell. You know what's expected of you. You pick up a fourth case. I'm going to go cuckoo for Cocoa Puff on your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We have also given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with her. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you've gone AWOL, you've taken off, picked up a new case in another county or whatnot, that's it. Get him a card before you take it back in there. Oh, okay. Thank you. And we'll have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will get you to Victoria where you will sign a reset. You will then get with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you guys can talk about this case. Don't pick up a fourth case. Okay? All right, Ms. Teachy.
Judge, may I be excused? I've made arrangements to talk to him about his case. I'll give him a call. Judge,
The coming weeks. A positive test will have severe consequences. Judge's final warning. Before closing, Judge Fleischer issues a grave warning. If Mr. Wolf is arrested again, the judge will drastically raise his bail, making it nearly impossible for him to be released. If he disappears, ignores court orders, or picks up any new charges, he will face the full wrath of the law. In the end, while Mr. Wolf is allowed to leave on bond, the judge makes it crystal clear that he's walking a very fine line. PR. Bond revoked. Mr. Wolf is taken into custody. Driving ban. Any violation leads to serious jail time. Ignition interlock device required. No exceptions allowed. Mandatory alcohol and drug testing. Failing means harsh penalties. Final warning. Any reoffense will trigger severe legal consequences.